Hello everyone, it's Lance inside CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications. I want to take a brief minute and remind you that this week, June 22nd through 25th, would have been our 2020 Truth Lectureship. And unfortunately, due to the situation with COVID-19 and the surrounding restrictions, we have had to decide to cancel and postpone this year's lectures. But this week we want you to tune in on our Facebook page and social media as we are going to take a look back at the 2019 Truth Lectures and share some of those videos and content with you. So follow us on Facebook at CEI Bookstore and check us out at truthbooks.com, and you can find that content from last year's lectures being shared this year. You can also go to truthbooks.com to the blog or to truthlectures.com and read our full announcement about this year's lectureship being postponed. So stay tuned for that. We hope that you'll be planning to join us for next year's lectureship, and go ahead and order this year's book that will be in print and available at truthbooks.com. We're taking pre-orders now, so you can call in or order online, and we'll be shipping those as soon as they're available. We want to thank our speakers and all of those who have put their work into the manuscripts for this lectureship, and the plan will be for in 2021 us to have this event and those speakers be able to present those lectures to you at that point in time. The book will be available before then, so be sure that you make your order for that very, very soon. Thanks for listening. I hope that you'll enjoy the content that we share with you this week. We're going to miss you so much not having this year's lectureship, but hope you'll stay connected with us here through Facebook and the website in any way that you can. Look forward to seeing you soon.